Hey guys, it's me, Polar Overkill here with Spook Dog. This is my first time recording with him, and here's Spook Dog.
But we've been friends for years.
I guess that's all he's gonna say. I think I really think I'm gonna win this.
Yeah.
You better not be spying. You look spy.
Yeah, I was spying too.
No, I don't like that. I'm not using spy.
Don't use that.
I don't use spy.
I already bought it, dude.
So you see what I got?
Yeah.
Wow, I didn't even use spy. You can look at my video. I didn't even use spy.
Dude, I don't care. I gotta wait till tomorrow to do it.
Hey, don't tell my secrets. Don't tell my YouTube secrets. Is he literally sniping every balloon? Dude, you're dying.
Dude, my phone is glitching.
I bet. You're gonna lose faster than I am.
Oh, you were serious? Oh. Why do you only get 70?
105, are you serious? Yeah, you about to lose. Oh no, you're losing. I mean, you're winning. How much to sell this guy?
I'm winning for now.
Get this guy.
And you go.
Ninja discipline. Sharp shurikens.
Late game. Late game. How much money did you get per?
105.
105?
Yeah, upgraded.
I get 100.
You gotta upgrade, bro.
Which one's the most efficient to use?
Ninja discipline. Honestly, if you watch my videos with Crazy Steve, I lost every last one.
I know. It's probably the only video you win in.
Probably. I ain't gonna doubt you because you're actually doing pretty good. It's just like almost impossible to win against freaking Crazy Steve. He plays this way too much. The videos I make is the only times that I play this. Honestly, no joke.
Oh.
That's why I have so little characters.
I feel bad.
Hello, sniper.
I have everything in the game.
I don't. Oh, there will be a link in the description of not Crazy Steve, but damn, so he's playing with that guy, Spook's YouTube channel. And like me and Crazy Steve said, there will be a contest for the other 2 people. No, I think 2 or 3 people to be in this to be with the YouTuber squad. So make sure you get at least 1 like on your comment, and we'll let you be in. You must have a laptop, and you don't have to have a YouTube channel, but you could have a YouTube channel. Doesn't matter to us.
But if you comment, you have to have a YouTube channel. So.
No, if you comment, you don't have to have. If you're commenting to win the contest, you don't have to. It doesn't have to be for the contest. We'll ask you if it's for the contest. And if it's not for the contest, it doesn't really matter to us. We'll still read your comments though. We'll reply for the first 30 minutes.
We'll definitely reply the first 30 minutes. We might also reply after. But.
Yeah, after sometimes, because we upload and we be like lazy. Then we check your videos and we be like, we check our comments and we be like, oh, this person did something.
Also, you know, notifications.
I lost. I'm losing hard.
Why do I not have sharper? Dude, I didn't have the right thing. I'm lacking.
Missile launcher.
Stretch.
Got him. I ain't losing
Got
nothing.
me.
My missile launcher's killing it. That's what's
I'm
up.
gonna save up so I can get this plus 70.
Distractions. I gotta upgrade my snipers.
Do you have a webcam?
Yeah, I don't use it though. You're probably never seeing one of my. Oh, I won. I thought I lost. That's what's up. You don't want to play 3 matches? We gotta play 3 matches and then the video's over.
We're playing the match and everything, dude. Like,
Yeah, what's that? Give me the code.
okay. The code is
Hold up.
Just started.
Donna. Alright, guys. I think I'm gonna win this one, honestly.
No, you're not. This is attack mode. I mean assault.
Oh, let's go, bro. Let's go, bro.
Yeah. Next round, we're doing battle. I mean, not battle.
Card mode.
Yeah, alright. What map should I do?
Yin and yang. Yin and yang.
Yeah, I like this map because the demise is it. Spy.
Stop spying.
Dude, I have to. It's my technique.
I don't want that. Oh,
Nah,
yeah.
I'm gonna change it up. I'm gonna use a sub. Are you serious? Oh wow, we got the same thing for real.
Yeah, we do. And we're both using ninja. You have a magic dude and that submarine. You want to spy on me? I spied on you.
I don't care, dude. I told you that last time.
You always spy.
What are we doing? Want me to go easy? What?
I'm gonna go easy, extra large.
Advanced intel. Okay. And now. Oh, my bad. Sorry about that.
Shuriken.
Shuriken.
Yeah, Shuriken. Bigger bomb. Can't afford. I want to afford the rocket launcher. Yeah, I afford the rocket launcher.
Dude, you sound like a little kid.
Yeah, cause I am.
This guy's 8. By the way.
No, I'm not.
10.
No, I'm not. I speak baby talk though.
That's not baby talk. Baby talk is crying.
I ain't crying.
That's what I'm saying. Baby talk is crying.
Do you know num num talk?
No.
Num 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 num
What's your
num
eco?
num. My what?
Eco.
What's that? What's that?
Your income.
250?
Oh.
Can you upgrade it?
Yeah.
How?
You gotta send balloons to me.
Stop spamming
Yeah.
balloons. Stop spamming them. I'll spam them back, bro. Plus, I got some for that. Boom.
Right, I should put down that.
Exactly.
But that costs $750. And okay, I got enough.
Spam.
Bunch of blues. Wow.
Are you sure it's just a bunch of blues?
Oh, blacks. Green. Pink.
Speak fast.
No.
You
way.
can't hold me. If anybody knows who that says,
Dude.
who says that, you can't guard me. If anybody knows who says that, comment down below. People from my school should know that. If they play basketball, they should know who says that 24/7. And if that person is watching, comment down below yourself.
Alright, after this video, you gotta tell me who it is.
I'll tell you after the video who it was. I can't tell you in the video, because then they'll be like, oh yeah, answer. Sucker. Get it? Sucker.
No.
Heavy duty selection.
Oh. Got it.
Yeah, sucker. You're a sucker.
Hey, what'd you say?
Sucker.
What'd you say, boy?
Sucker.
You wanna fight? What's up? What's up?
Sucker.
I know you are all of my.
Yeah, what's?
Oh, you must be talking to yourself again.
No, you're talking. No, I'm talking about you. Banana. 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 I bet this is not gonna last too long.
I had a feeling you were about to pull something.
This is not gonna last long.
Nope, zebras. No mas. No mas.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, I'm sure. Stop. Really? Metal?
Oh, you have heavy duty.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't think you had heavy duty.
Try again, dude. Try again.
Oh, sure, I will.
Okay, waste your money. Why don't you?
Waste my money, but I'm also upgrading at the same time. So what are you talking about?
I should have never told
So?
you about Eco.
What are you talking about? Dude, those are coming out so fast when I'm just spitting them back at you. Wait, what? Wow. One more match determines it all. I want to rematch.
Yeah.
Alright, set up the next match.
Alright, ready for code?
Let's tell me to go. Tell me to coot.
Did you pause it?
Wait, what? I can't hear you over my music. Speak louder.
Did you pause it?
No.
Okay, ready for the code?
Yeah.
I lost connection. Dang.
Dude, I'm just gonna make a battle. Let me just make a battle. Create battle. Card
Join
battles.
battle. So I know it's a UFU. I already know that.
I know how to play card battle already. I played it on this already. If anybody has seen my card battle video, you know what I mean.
Wait, you gotta tell me your password, dude.
No, I was doing this stupid thing. Show me how to flip and play.
Pause the video.
I'm about to.
I thought you.
I'll be right back.
Okay, dude. What map do you want to do?
Yellow Brick Road. Let's go.
Okay. I gotta move the Skype call thing over. Alright, confirm. As they should know, I'm on vacation still.
I'm ready. I am ready for Friday.
You're ready to lose, you said? Oh, okay.
No, I'm ready for you to die.
To lose? Okay.
Wait. Oh, dang, I needed a timeout. I was about to lay down.
What do you mean you're about to lay down, dude?
I'm on top of a cushion.
You gotta lay down. I'm sitting back. I might need to charge my phone. 60%. Okay.
Oh, Spoock, how have you been doing on that vacation?
It's been fun.
Have you been seeing sights or something? Or you're staying in like a... Yeah? Or are you like staying in a beach house or
no
apartment or something like that?
No.
What?
Actually, in New York. Not New York City, just New York.
Somewhere in New York.
I'm not gonna go too specific.
Yeah,
but it's a lot of land.
No followers.
Yeah, just.
It's not my fault about the background. If you hear that.
Oh, okay. We might have to do another episode. Another video. Another round. Yep, second round. Okay.
I'm ready for a rematch.
Yeah. Dude, try not to send so early.
No, I gotta send early. That's how you lose. I sent those pink balloons and you were out of it. You supposed to send early. How you think you win?
Dude, I got garbage.
Again?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to start selling.
Dude!
Banana factory. That's too early for that.
How are you already taking damage? I'm not even gonna send anything your way. Oh, you got that multi. Now I gotta send something at you, bro.
No, stop.
I'm gonna wait until you get 3 troops on your side.
If you send, I send.
You gotta send stuff my way, bro.
If you send, I send. Are you sending? Wait, is somebody watching yours?
Dude, this is not a live stream, bro.
No, that's somebody.
Oh yeah, I said somebody watching. I think it's Crazy Steve.
Sick. I'm sending.
We should call Crazy Steve after this.
Yeah. Might make another video. Who knows? Chill.
Are you literally sending all that stuff at me, bro? Dude, you want one more round?
Another round.
Dude, this video ain't gonna last ages, bro.
It's not even long.
I'm not trying to get the first. I'm trying to get the trio video to last 1 hour. Not this video, bro.
What trio video? On Minecraft? Dude, what trio video are you talking about?
Yeah, our Minecraft videos. Those are supposed to last an hour, not these. I'm just wiping you and you're just... No.
I'm not even wiping it. I'm just getting trash cards to start off with.
Dude, there's so many freaking balloons on your side.
Dude, you're already sending.
I didn't send anything.
Yes, you did. You sent a bunch of reds.
I ain't do that. Yeah, I did do that.
I'm gonna save it for 2,400. Dude, stop sending.
Fine. If that
I'm
kills
trying
you,
to make
it's
this
not my
video
fault. You
last.
just have bad defenses.
I need your ego now, dude. Dude, stop sending.
Dude, you're good. I just need to send to get money, bruh. You're doing good. You don't need me to stop sending. I can keep sending. Except for this one. You're not good on that one.
Yes, I am.
Oh, dang, you actually got it.
You trying to kill me?
Who that? Who that right there? Oh, dang.
You weren't ready for zebras?
Alright, guys. It's Polar Overkill is out. Spoock is out. We are out. We will catch you next video of Minecraft. We are out. Peace. Bye, my polar bears.